Welcome to day one of the 2020 program. So we've got 20 workouts, 20 minutes, and that is the whole premise of it. We're just all about building consistency here, and yeah. So today we're going to start off with a lower body workout for your day one. Equipment we need is 2 dumbbells. If you have access to a barbell, then that would be great as well. I'm going to start with barbell squats. If you don't have a barbell, then just dumbbell squats is fine. So grabbing your barbell or dumbbells, depending on what you've got there, and we're just going for 8 squats straight up. Driving through the heels for this one. Three more. And 8. And then we're going straight into dumbbell deadlifts. So grabbing your dumbbells, hinging at the hips, and once again putting all of that weight through the heels. Keeping the shoulders rolled back so that you're not arching over the back. 2 to go. And 1. Short rest in between. So the whole premise of this 2020 is not about having super long breaks or lifting super heavy. We're just aiming for consistent days and yeah, just rebuilding that. Once again. All right, back into our squats. 8 reps again. Breathing out as you push back to the top. Two to go. Grabbing your dumbbells. Straight into it. Halfway. Last 2. And 1. Another short break in between. If you do need to have a bit longer of a rest, you're welcome to pause it for a bit, catch your breath, have a drink, and then unpause it and get straight back into it. All right, let's go. Four to go here. And 1. Back into our deadlifts. Shoulders back. Weight all in those heels. Three to go. Last 1. 1 more set here. Take a second, get a drink if you need to. All right, last set. Driving through those heels, let's go. 4 to go. 2, 1. Grabbing your dumbbells. Shoulders back. Let's go. Three more. 2 and 1. All right, our next 2 exercises, we have got an alternating lunge and a sumo squat. So we're supersetting those together in the exact same way that we just did those 2. Moderate weight, I'm using 5 kilo dumbbells. You're welcome to go heavier, you're welcome to go lighter. All depends on how you're feeling today. And like I said, we're not going for super, super heavy. We don't want to fully fatigue ourselves every single session, especially if you've got kids to pick up throughout the day. Kills your arms. All right, let's go. Alternating legs each time. Chest up, eyes up. You may find that your balance is a bit off here, so just slow it right down if you need to. 2 more. All right, our next one, sumo stance. So right out, toes are slightly pointed out, and we're coming down. Squeeze the glutes at the top. 6, 2 more, and 8. Little rest, have a drink if you need to. All right, getting straight back into it. Shoulders back, stepping back. Got 16 reps here. Halfway. We're not fully tapping the knee down here, just slightly above the ground. Last 2 and 1. Coming through for that sumo squat now. Shoulders back, eyes up, driving through the heels. Last 3, 2, 1. Little break. Stretching in between sets if you need. All right. Straight back into those dumbbell reverse lunges. I'm going to turn this way this time. Slow and controlled. One more each side. 2, 1. Sumo squats. Now it is fast paced, but your heart rate should be increasing. Should be at a nice, steady pace throughout the whole session. This is all about fitting it into your day between kids' naps, things like that. We've got one more set here. All right, let's get straight into it. Reverse lunges. Let's go. 16 reps. Halfway. Last 2. And 1. All right. That's all for our deadlifts. Last exercise, sumo squat. Grab your 1 dumbbell, 2 if you're feeling it. 8 reps. 3, 2, 1. Stay here. We're going to do 10 pulses at the bottom. Stay. It's going to be burning. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Definitely burning. All right, we've got 2 more exercises here. We've got a donkey kick on each leg. So we're coming down onto all 4s. And then we've got a wall sit for 30 seconds. All right, 4-point hold here. Leg in a 90-degree angle. And it's like we're pushing up the roof. So you'll really feel this right through the glute here. Two more. Switching legs. Get that same 4-point hold. 10 reps. Three, 2, last one, 1. All right, coming over against a wall. If you want to, you can add a weight. So we're coming down 90 degrees through here, shoulders back. Try and not put your hands on your knees and your quads because that does make it easier if you're doing this. Keep them up. All right. $15 seconds to go. Should be burning right through those little quads. Three, 2, 1. You don't have to use that weight. It is optional. Back to the ground, have a little breather. And now we're getting straight back into it. 10 reps. Two, 1, switching legs. Slow and controlled for this one. Really feel that burn up the top. And 1, back into our wall sit. It's up to you whether you want to use this dumbbell or not. That dumbbell just uses a little bit extra intensity. Arms out in front. Breathing through it. This is a chance for your heart rate to come down a little. Catch your breath. 10 seconds. 5 to go. 2 and 1. 2 more rounds here. Almost done. Straight into it. 10 reps. Three, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Whew, nearly done. All right, coming down. It's easiest if you've got that weight like right up against your stomach so it's not trying to roll off. It's also even easier if you use a plate because then it can't roll anywhere. Five seconds. 1. Last set. Down into that 4-point kneel. Now we're pushing that roof with the bottom of our feet. Really picture that. Engage the core. 2, 1. Switch legs. 3, 2, 1. All right, our last wall sit. Last little burn for today. Let's go. 30 seconds here. Right out in front. We've got upper body tomorrow. A little bit of a rest for the lower body. Bit of time to recuperate. Nearly there. And 1. Solid effort, solid little burner. All right, I will see you for day 2. Make sure you do a little stretch after this workout. And yeah, see you tomorrow.